Hi, it's Drew again. Let's go ahead and look at how to set up your Works Cited. In your Google Doc or Word document, you'll need to have a Works Cited page. This is a new page with nothing else on it. At the center top part, you would type Works Cited and you'd enter down. You would put your citations in alphabetical order. There is a hanging indent. What that means is the indent is fully left aligned, and when it gets to the next line, it looks like this. And then the new one, like that. That's called a hanging indent. It's double spaced, and it's Times New Roman at a 12-point font. But what do you need to cite in your paper? The short answer is everything except common knowledge. You need to cite books, movies, YouTube videos, articles, magazines, speeches, ideas, basically anything that's not yours, you need to cite in a paper. To have a complete citation, you need to find most of the following in this list: the author or speaker, the title of the source, meaning the book's name, the article's title, the speech's name, etc. The title of the container. If it was an article from a magazine, that would be the magazine's title. If it was something you saw on YouTube, then you would name YouTube as the streaming service. Or if you were citing an episode on Netflix, you would cite Netflix. If it's a compilation found within a book, etc. You need to find other contributors like the illustrator, the editor, the director, whatever. The version or volume number, the issue of the magazine or journal number, the publisher of the book or the movie, publication date, and then the location it was published or shot or something like that. You need to find those items. But thanks to modern technology and the internet, there is a much faster way to cite things. I suggest opening the tab of Amazon.com and also citationmachine.net. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm back into our MLA document that we prepared earlier, and I'm going to scroll down to my Works Cited page. I have Works Cited typed in the center here, and you can see I have a few citations already. Again, in my paragraph, I haven't typed anything in real life, but we're just pretending that I cited these things. First one I have is FOSS, that's F, so that's the beginning of the alphabet, or near the beginning rather, and that is the Diversity of Life textbook. Then I have The Outsiders, a book that we'll be reading together in 7th grade, and that's H because that comes after F. Then I have an encyclopedia entry about the giant panda, and it was written by Donald Lindbergh, and so that L comes after H. And then last on here, I have Ghost as a citation, but let's go ahead and see how to add additional citations. So I'm going to switch over to Amazon, and I'm going to look up Gary Paulson, The Hatchet. This was one of my favorite books to read when I was in middle school. So here's the book. I'm going to click on the paperback. I'm going to keep scrolling down, and I'm going to ignore all the advertising to buy their things. And now this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the ISBN number. Now I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to go over here to citationmachine.net, and you can use this with advertisements for free, but since I have a ton of schoolwork to do, I just pay the $10 a month. Saves me a lot of time and energy, and when you go to university or work on a master's degree or something, you'll want to pay the $10 a month. I'm going to click New Citation. I'm going to click that I'm searching for a book. Honestly, you can look for anything to cite here, but we're going to cite a book. And I'm going to paste that ISBN number that I found on Amazon, and I'm going to click Search. Okay, Gary Paulson, there's a lot of options here. I want to see which one I'm citing specifically. So, okay, this is just a textbook or a regular book right here. It looks like it's 2006, but I don't know what the original printing is. Anyway, let's take a look here. It's not a discussion kit, not a collection. Let me take a look at this one. I'm going to click cite, going to click continue, and here we go. I have the author's name, I have the source title, I have the publication info, and I have the year. This isn't a volume, it's not a series, so I can leave those blank. I'm going to click complete citation, and now you can see in green it's highlighted where it's at on this list of books, and it's P. Paulson. So I'm going to go triple dots, copy citation. Now I'm going to go back into my Google Docs, LMNOP. So that's going to go here. And you can see it did not copy over the and sign, so I need to switch that. And it also did not copy over the italics for hatchet. So I fixed that, and now that is a very simple way of creating a citation.